key is inside you to open your mind. You know what is out there, your heart can be blind. Open your eyes and open your mind.